my name's Michelle Sharman and my athlete is Jaeda Sharman. Jaeda's a diver for the City of Leeds Diving Club. She is currently diving elite and she competes internationally also. Jaeda is a typical teen in a lot of senses, that when she's not training, she kind of likes to hang out with her friends, doesn't really pay much attention to her nutrition, so getting her the right source of nutrition has always been really important to us.
I am Jaeda Sharman, I am 12 years old and I am an elite diver and I train 6 days a week with City of Leeds Diving Club. I want to be able to be the best diver I can be and go to the Olympics. I like to drink protein because if I don't have enough time after training to have my tea, or if I've just done a morning session I have to go straight to school, it's really quick and easy to just take that and you'll be full and you won't have to worry about having the meal as well because you'd already have the protein, which will fill you up as well.
We are a sporting family, so time is very limited. So yeah, youth sport nutrition has been a great provision of nutrition. It's quick and it's easy and we know she's getting everything that she needs when we're short of time.
I want to be able to go to the Olympics when I'm older and compete there. Compete there. When I'm older, I want to be able to go to the Olympics and compete and be able to be the best diver there.